Exploring the pillars of faith, understanding true virtue in Islam. Our journey begins with understanding the true essence of virtue in Islam. It's not about facing east or west during prayers. True virtue, as described in the Quran, is about faith. Faith in Allah, the Day of Judgment, the angels, the divine scriptures, and the prophets. In addition to faith, virtue is about charity. Giving away your wealth, despite your love for it, to your kin, the orphans, and the needy. This is the essence of being a virtuous Muslim. It's about the sincerity of your faith and the generosity of your heart. Through these pillars of faith, we can work towards better understanding. Understanding of our religion, our world, and ourselves. So join me as we delve deeper into understanding the true virtue in Islam. A journey of faith, charity, and ultimately, self-discovery.